I should be live. What is up, everybody? I hope you're all doing great out there. Coming to you live from Los Angeles today, August 9, 2021, approximately 10:45 a.m. I bring you guys a video about my opinions regarding the current cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, and all the altcoins, and as to what's going to happen next. Now, in my last video, I'd mentioned saying that I thought that Bitcoin was going to go down all the way to $28,000. But honestly, I did also mention that we just might have another bull run before that happens. So I still do believe that we're going to see Bitcoin around that $28,000 range, but right now, at this very moment, the way things are looking, and especially the way altcoins are positioning themselves, it's seeming like, in my opinion, that Bitcoin may have a little bit of a bull run. I just don't know how high it can go. But we just might get back to about $49,000 and stay there for a while. So, as to what will happen after that, I don't know, but we're currently seeing a pump, and a lot of major YouTubers are saying that in September the bull run will be over, and I honestly don't doubt that. In my opinion, and I'm not really a I'm not a financial advisor. Why am I saying really? But yeah, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so just keep that in mind. But this is just obviously us, getting together and just talking about what's gonna happen next. But it looks like the way the altcoins are positioning themselves, especially with some of them climbing back a little bit. Recently, we saw Alchemy Pay go like 15x, 20x, or something. So that was pretty cool for those that had invested in it. But yeah, Bitcoin currently sitting at about $45,000, if I'm not mistaken. It was like the last time I saw it, it was around that price. But um, $45,000 Bitcoin. A lot of the altcoins are going up as well. Harvest Finance was a thing. Also, one of the recent tokens added on Coinbase, and that one has recently gone up too, pretty much by like 80%. So, another one of the altcoins, guys, that I spoke about maybe a couple months ago, Vector Space AI, when it was around 28 cents. If you guys go back and look, you'll currently see it. You'll currently see it right now sitting at about $4.60. So, yeah, guys, that was one of the tokens I mentioned that was gonna do really well, and it did. So, um, and that thing is at a pretty much at an all-time high, which is what I wanted to get at actually. So, considering that is at an all-time high, and a lot of other things taking place, I firmly believe that Bitcoin is actually gonna have a little bit of a run. I just don't know how high it'll go. That's obviously the question everybody's wondering. But in my opinion, I say that Bitcoin will go back up to its all-time highs and maybe go past it just a little bit. But I really, really doubt that it's gonna hit $100,000. So, Bitcoin hitting $100,000, in my opinion, is not gonna happen. And I know a lot of YouTubers are out there saying that it will, but I personally think that it won't. But I do think that it just might go past its previous all-time high, which was what was it? Oh my God, I don't even remember. But yeah, it's gonna go past its previous all-time high, maybe about 10 or 12%, 15%, maybe even 20%. But that $80,000, $90,000, $100,000 range, I doubt we'll get to. But most 78,000 at most. But not even that, not even 70, 72 at most, if anything. So 78 would be a surprise for me, but we'll see what happens, guys. And regarding the altcoin markets, when Bitcoin goes up 5x, the altcoins go up like 7, 8x, 9x, so that's really where I believe the money is to be made, and my strategy is always going in for the low cap gems, because eventually when they do pop off, you make good money. So that's just my take on it, but let me know what you guys think. I know Bitcoin in the next 2-3 years is definitely gonna see a big price drop, but at this very moment, with the things that are going on right now, I don't know. We'll see how high Bitcoin will go, but then the next question will be how low will it go from there. So, a lot of the time, people like to sell and make money, but really, I think the key to making money is where you buy it, because a lot of people, you know, look forward more to selling. I look more forward to buying it at the right price, and then selling will just happen by itself if you buy it at the right price. So, guys, again, Bitcoin, right now at 45,000. I don't know. Um, I think it'll go up higher, maybe in the next couple of weeks. We'll see what happens in the month of September. Um, but yeah, it's gonna be an interesting one. It's definitely gonna be an interesting one. So, guys, drop your comments. I appreciate you guys liking my videos and subscribing. That really helps me. And um, there's a lot of hype going on right now. There's a lot of altcoins out there too that seem very scammy, and I would urge you guys to be very cautious and do very, very thorough research before you guys do anything. And one thing I can suggest, even though again I'm not a financial advisor, is to prioritize safety. And as to how you guys will do that, that's entirely up to you. So yeah, guys, let me know as to what you guys think is gonna happen in this Bitcoin cycle that we're currently going through. Whether it's gonna go up higher, whether it's gonna go lower from where it is right now, whether this is a dead cat bounce. Um, everything is possible. The whales run this game, so everyday people, we just really have to, make an investment and hope it goes well, right? So luck does play out realistically in every choice we make. So in every little decision, there's, I think, luck, a little bit of luck attached to it. So that's just my take, though. But guys, let me know again, what you guys think. I really want to know what you guys believe Bitcoin is gonna do in the short term and in the long term. Well, and I just want to say that in the super long term, I think Bitcoin is gonna definitely go to $250,000, $250,000, pretty much. So as for the short term, I don't know. There just may be some games being played. So let me know as to what you guys think is gonna happen in the short term, because there just might be a bull run, and everybody's eyes are on the market. So it's 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 gonna be a good and interesting next few weeks. Next several, I'd say 6-7 weeks. So I'm personally thinking that the altcoins are going to have a nice run, depending on a couple of them. Some of them may go past their all-time highs. I think Dogecoin is going to certainly be one of them. So we'll see what happens. I wouldn't be surprised if Dogecoin hits $1. XRP may have a big run. So XRP never really had its moment this year. So that's another one to watch for. So several, and Ethereum as well. There's a good chance Ethereum may go to $10,000 too. So a lot of other altcoins as well can do really great too. So and when I say altcoins, I mean the small cap gems. So it's just a matter of when it's gonna take place, and which ones are gonna blossom. So again, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna make a UFC video talking about the Derek Lewis and Cyril Gain fight, which was a one-sided beatdown. But up until that video, guys, I appreciate you guys for subscribing and liking my videos, and please drop some comments and let me know what you guys think as to where this cryptocurrency cycle is headed next, and as to what direction it's going to go. And up until next time, guys, peace.